Today in front of me I have Honor 70, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can bypass the parental controls on this device. To begin with, let me launch settings, then enter the Google category and actually show you that I have my parental controls active. Here they are. So the first step to take in order to turn off the parental controls is to tap on the Manage Your Google Account button over here. It is also worth mentioning before we proceed is that in order to use the method that will be shown today, you have to know the password to the child's account. Otherwise, unfortunately, this method is not for you. So next, open the Data and Privacy page, scroll it all the way down. Go for the Delete Your Google Account button, but do not be afraid or scared. We will actually recover it right after the parental controls will be switched off, so no worries here. At the following page, enter the password to the Google child's account in order to proceed. After that, at the following page, scroll it all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap on the Delete Account button over here. So it didn't work, I would assume. Already up, it worked since it has logged us out of the Google account. And if we will get back to the Google category of settings, not only will not see any account linked to the system, but also the parental controls will be conveniently disabled. Now all that it's left to do is to recover or restore the Google account that you can do through using it to log into the Play Store. So I'll sign in with it. Let me quickly enter the email address first. Then you'll get this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable message. So tap on the next button, then enter the password to the account once again. Ready, I've gotten the 2FA thing, which is a thing that I would like to skip, so I will simply re-enter the password. You might get something went wrong messages. I did. That's fine, just re-enter the credentials one more time. So I'll start with an email address, obviously. Then I will enter the password to the account. Alrighty, now it worked. Great success. Here, click on I agree. And accept the Google services and what's not. And that will be it. The account has been successfully restored. The parental controls are turned off. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.